Welcome to Mass Academy. Mathematics class 9th and class 10th. Class 9th unit 6, class 10th unit 7. We are reading basic trigonometry. Remember, after watching this video, totally you will understand how to convert angles into minutes and how to convert angle into degree up to 2 decimal. This is the target of this video. Right now we have taken though unit number 6.1, question number 3 and 4 of class 9th, but it is totally same as class 10th 7.1. There also such kind of questions are there that you can convert them into minutes and up to 2 decimal, 6 decimal maybe you heard there. The same way we are going to take right now question number 3 part 1. So we are converting this part 1, that is 31.5 degree. This is right now in degree. We are converting this degree into minutes. Very easy. Remember, simply this one, if you take and multiply by 60, you will get the answer. Shortcut way is this. As we know that we must know these main point, that is 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. It means in a degree 60 minutes are there. It looks like an hour, but we cannot say degree and hours are same. But here 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. In 1 minutes, that is common, that in 1 minutes we know there are 60 seconds. If we put 1 slash, that is showing minutes. If we put double slash, that is showing second. Now after that also we can understand in 1 degree having how many second. Of course we will multiply 60 multiply by 60, then answer come 3600. We are putting double slash, it means it is showing as if hour, it is showing what, seconds. Now come to main question, that is 31.5. As we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 second. 1 degree is equal to 60 second. That one we will mention first of all. After mentioning this one, then we can write, then what about 31.5 degree is equal to, then we easily can write 31.5 multiplied by 60. Now see, left hand side the degree sign is there, and here we put slash, that is second, minutes. Now totally answer came what, 1890, 1890. This is the answer of first part. Second part we are going to take, that is minus 15.25 degree. Also easy as previous one we have done, same method we are going to apply here. Minus 15.25 degree, our target is converted into minutes. As I told you before, simple, if you multiply this one by 60 you will obtain your answer. But if we solve it in our exam, we'll solve it proper way. We'll write 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, then minus 15.25 degree is equal to 60 multiplied by minus 15.25. Here we'll put in bracket upside 1 slash, that is showing minutes. Now after multiplying by 60, you can use simple calculator here, that is come 915. This question number 3 is done. Remaining parts are same, you can do it. So after that we are going to start question number 4. There we will convert degree angle into degree up to 2 decimal. Remember, we can see here already angles are in degree and minutes. We have to convert just minute portion into degree. Degree portions are okay, such as number 1 is 15.35 minutes. Our target is convert minute into degree. In previous video also we show that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Then what about 1 minute? Then 1 minute will be equal to 1 over 60 degree. It means minute is part of 1 out of 60. This 1 over 60 is showing like this. Oh yes, these we have written previous videos. As we know that 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, then 1 minute is equal to, it means the 60 will be divided. This is extra information or extra point we are discussing, so it will be clear. Now we can write 15 degree 35 minutes. 35 will we will separate first of all in first step. In second step we will divided by
Yes,
60.
35. Now 15 degree will write. After that 35 is showing, that is minutes. So we are converting 35 into degree. Then rule is 35 will be divided by 60. As it is divided by 60, then we cut the slash and put degree sign, because now it is in degree. After dividing 35 over 60, it comes 0.58333, but in the question it is written up to two decimal places. So when it is written up to two decimal places, then we have to take after decimal just 2 digit. This is what it means. Then we are writing only 15 degree plus 0.58 degree. Now we are going to plus 15 and 0.58 together, then it comes 15.58 degree. This question is over. Come to second question. Come to next part, that is part number 5, 210 degree 15 minutes. Exactly same actually, even though if one question is solved between totally is clear. 1 minute says we know that it is equal to 160 degree. Then what about 210 degree 15 minutes? uh, this is equal to 210 degree plus, first of all separate minutes from degree, plus 15 minutes. Then 210 degree plus, we are converting minutes into degree, then we'll divide it by 60 and put degree sign. After dividing 15 over 60, it comes 0.25. Already here 2 decimal coming. So 210 degree plus 0.25 degree. After heading it, it comes 210.25 degree. So this is over. Kindly, if you like it, subscribe and share it to other. Thank you very much.